The year is 2026, and starting with artificial intelligence has never been easier or more confusing at the same time. Beginners are surrounded by noise, hype, and tools that promise everything while explaining almost nothing. The truth is, AI is no longer about being technical or knowing how to code. It's about choosing the right starting tools that teach you how to think, work, and learn alongside AI without overwhelming you. Most beginners fail not because AI is hard, but because they start in the wrong place. This video exists to solve that problem. These are the best AI tools for beginners in 2026, designed to build confidence first, skills second, and results last. Every beginner needs one foundation tool, something flexible enough to handle questions, ideas, writing, and exploration all in one place. ChatGPT remains the best starting point in 2026 for exactly that reason. It teaches beginners how to communicate with AI in natural language, experiment without pressure, and understand how prompts shape outcomes. Beginners use it to ask questions, simplify complex topics, brainstorm ideas, rewrite text, and explore unfamiliar subjects. More importantly, it teaches how AI responds, which builds intuition. Before automation, before productivity, before optimization, beginners need interaction, and ChatGPT provides that learning environment better than anything else. It is the sandbox where you learn the language of this new relationship, understanding that the quality of what you get out is directly tied to the clarity of what you put in. Once beginners learn how to talk to AI, the next skill they need is research without confusion. Traditional search engines overwhelm beginners with endless links and contradictory information. Perplexity AI removes that chaos. Instead of throwing information at you, it gives direct answers supported by real sources. Beginners learn how to ask better questions, verify claims, and understand context without feeling lost. In 2026, knowing how to find accurate information quickly matters more than memorizing facts, and Perplexity quietly trains that ability through everyday use. It transforms the overwhelming firehose of the internet into a manageable stream of clarity, teaching research as a conversation rather than a scavenger hunt. After research comes expression, and writing is where many beginners lose confidence. Emails, essays, posts, and documents still shape how people are judged, yet most beginners feel unsure about tone and clarity. Grammarly Go helps beginners improve without replacing their voice. It explains why sentences feel weak, suggests clearer phrasing, and helps match tone to purpose. Instead of correcting blindly, beginners learn patterns. Over time, their writing improves even without the tool, which makes Grammarly Go a true learning assistant rather than a crutch. It builds your communication skills from the inside out, ensuring you sound like yourself, only clearer and more confident. As beginners start learning and writing, they quickly run into another issue. Ideas scatter, notes pile up, and projects feel overwhelming. Notion AI solves this by helping beginners structure thoughts visually and logically. It turns rough notes into organized pages, summarizes content, and helps manage tasks without complex systems. Beginners don't need to understand productivity frameworks. They learn organization by using it naturally, which reduces stress and builds clarity over time. Your brain should be for having ideas, not holding them, and Notion AI handles the holding so you can focus on the having. Learning itself is another challenge. Beginners often read without understanding or forget information quickly. Google Notebook LM changes how beginners study. It works only with your uploaded documents, allowing the AI to explain, summarize, and answer questions based on material you trust. This builds comprehension instead of surface learning. Beginners feel safe knowing the AI isn't pulling random information. It teaches how to analyze and understand deeply, which is a critical skill in the AI era. It creates a private tutor for anything you want to learn, grounded entirely in sources you choose and control. Once beginners understand information, creativity becomes the next step. Many people believe design requires talent or experience, but Canva AI removes that barrier. Beginners describe what they want, and the tool helps create visuals, presentations, thumbnails, and layouts instantly. This builds creative confidence fast. Beginners stop fearing blank pages and start experimenting. In 2026, creativity isn't about skill first, it's about iteration. And Canva AI makes that possible. It democratizes design, turning anyone with an idea into someone with a visual. Another major beginner struggle is attention and memory. Fast lectures, meetings, or discussions can overwhelm anyone. Otter.ai allows beginners to focus on understanding instead of note-taking. It records audio and turns it into searchable text automatically. Beginners review later, highlight key points, and never feel left behind. This tool quietly improves learning efficiency without adding complexity. It lets you be present in the moment, knowing the details are safely captured for later. Beginners also struggle with everyday productivity, especially when AI tools feel separate from normal workflows. Microsoft Copilot integrates AI into tools beginners already use, like documents and email. This reduces resistance. Beginners learn how AI assists work without changing habits overnight. It makes AI feel supportive rather than invasive, which is crucial early on. Instead of forcing you to learn new interfaces, it meets you inside the ones you already know. Now there are two more tools beginners rarely hear about but benefit from deeply. Tome helps beginners turn ideas into structured presentations or visual stories without design or storytelling experience. Beginners describe a topic, and Tome builds a narrative flow automatically. This teaches structure, pacing, and clarity, skills useful far beyond presentations. It turns a jumble of thoughts into a compelling story that others can actually follow. Finally, Zapier introduces beginners to automation gently. Instead of complex workflows, beginners start by connecting simple actions, like saving notes or organizing files automatically. This teaches systems thinking. Beginners realize AI isn't magic, it's leverage. Small automations compound into hours saved and mental energy preserved for what truly matters. At this point, something important becomes clear. AI is not about replacing effort, but removing friction. Beginners who succeed are not the smartest, but the most consistent. These tools are not meant to be mastered all at once. They are meant to be explored slowly, one small win at a time. You don't need to adopt everything today. Pick one. Try it. Let it teach you something. What makes 2026 different is access. Beginners don't need permission, background, or credentials. They only need curiosity. These tools are forgiving, flexible, and designed to teach as you use them. Every question asked, every mistake made, and every experiment run builds confidence faster than traditional learning ever could. The barriers that once required degrees or years of experience have simply dissolved. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting until they feel ready. Readiness comes from action, not planning. The tools in this video meet you where you are, not where you think you should be. Whether you're a student, professional, creator, or simply curious, this is the smartest place to begin. You don't need to know everything up front. You just need to start somewhere. AI in 2026 isn't about being ahead of everyone else. It's about adapting faster than yesterday. Beginners who start now will look back and realize they didn't just learn tools, they learned how to think differently. They learned to see AI not as a replacement for their abilities, but as an amplification of them. And that shift changes everything. Start here. One tool, one experiment, one step forward. That's how beginners turn curiosity into confidence, and confidence into real results. The future belongs to those who learn fastest, and the fastest learners are the ones who simply begin. If this video helped you, smash the like button so more beginners find it. Share it with a friend who's just starting with AI. Drop your questions in the comments. I read them all. And subscribe for weekly, beginner-friendly AI guides that actually make sense and stay ahead in 2026.